Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share something truly special with you. We're diving into one of the simplest yet most powerful natural energy drinks designed specifically for men. Forget those sugary, chemical-laden energy drinks from the store. This is a game changer that you can make right in your own kitchen with just a few basic ingredients. This drink is designed to boost your energy, improve your circulation, and support your strength and stamina naturally. It's easy, it's effective, and it tastes amazing. So if you're ready to unlock a new level of vitality, stay tuned. First things first, let's talk about our star ingredient, fresh ginger. Ginger is an absolute powerhouse. It's been used for centuries as one of the strongest natural stimulants, and for good reason. It's fantastic for increasing blood flow throughout your body, which is crucial for everything from muscle function to mental clarity. This improved circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, giving you that clean. It also supports overall vitality and has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. For this recipe, you'll need a small piece, about the size of your thumb. The fresher, the better, so look for ginger that is firm and has smooth skin. Now, let's get into the preparation. Take your piece of fresh ginger and give it a good wash. You don't even need to peel it if it's organic, as many nutrients are in the skin. The key here is to grate it as finely as you possibly can. You can use a microplane or the finest, because the more you break down the fibers of the ginger, the more of its beneficial compounds, like gingerol, are released. This is what gives ginger its potent, spicy kick and its incredible health benefits. We want to extract every last drop of that goodness. So take your time and grate it down into a fine, wet pulp. Once your ginger is finely grated, this is where the magic really happens. Take the grated ginger pulp and place it into a fine mesh strainer, or even a piece of cheesecloth. Hold it over a cup and press down firmly with the back of a spoon. You want to squeeze out all of that golden concentrated liquid. This ginger juice is pure liquid fire in a good way. It's packed with all the active nutrients that help fire up your metabolism, get your blood pumping, and give you. It's much more potent than just steeping ginger slices, which is why this method is so effective. Next up, we're adding an ingredient most of us are very familiar with, coffee. For convenience and to ensure it dissolves perfectly, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of high-quality instant coffee. Coffee, as we know, is a fantastic stimulant for the central nervous system, thanks to its caffeine content. Some studies even suggest that moderate coffee consumption can support healthy testosterone levels. When you combine the fast-acting energy from coffee with the circulatory boost from ginger, you create a synergistic effect. The energy becomes smoother, more sustained, and feels much cleaner than just drinking coffee alone. Now, to balance the spicy ginger and the bitter coffee, we need a touch of natural sweetness. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of pure natural honey. And I want to emphasize, raw honey isn't just a sweetener, it's a functional food. It provides a quick source of carbohydrates, giving your body readily available fuel for an immediate energy lift. It's also packed, plus its smooth, rich flavor perfectly rounds out the drink, making it a real pleasure to consume. The final step is to bring it all together. Pour 1 cup of hot, but not boiling, water over the ginger juice, coffee, and honey in your mug. Using hot water is crucial. It helps to fully activate the compounds in the ginger, ensures the honey and coffee dissolve completely, and allows all the flavors and nutrients to meld together properly. Take a spoon and give everything a very good stir. You want to mix it until the liquid is smooth and consistent, with no clumps of coffee or honey at the bottom. Once it's all mixed, I like to let it sit for about 5 minutes. This short resting period allows the ingredients to infuse perfectly, creating a more harmonious and potent final drink. And there you have it. Your all-natural men's power drink is ready to go. It's a simple daily recipe that you can whip up in minutes to help increase your energy, improve your circulation, and support your stamina. The best time to drink this is in the morning, to kickstart your day, or about an hour before a workout for an incredible performance boost. For the best results, Try drinking 1 cup a day consistently. It's a small habit. I hope you give this amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more natural health recipes like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one.